Ready? Helen, bring me in the dance hall racket.
Welcome back, everybody, to another vlog for Vlogtober. And today we took the 2.5-hour drive all the way up to Lee, New Hampshire to visit Haunted Overload. So during the day, you can walk around on the weekends for $12 a ticket, and you can walk the grounds without any of the special effects, any of the scare actors, any of the things that go boo, bump, and just look at the scenery. That's what I'm most excited for. It is me, my grandma, my mom, and the kids up here today. And let's take you around for the daytime tour. When you start, you walk this way and look at these. These are massive. I mean, these are real full-size trees. I mean, you can see my mom in the middle here for size, but this is amazing. I'm loving this jack skeleton right here. Oh my gosh, there's like corpses in this tree already, and we literally just came through the gate right there. So look, you can see right here, here's the orchard aspect of it, and we've already seen all these cute things, and we haven't even got into the main attraction. Unlike some of the other attractions that you can go on, this is literally just, as you can see, just walking through the woods, just the middle of nowhere, New England woods. You can look at the size detail of these minis, and so you have to imagine this with all of their lights. You can't even see where their rigs are.
Can you stand
like
in there?
I was walking through here, and this is not a person, but I genuinely thought this was a person right here. That was terrifying. So every single one of these buildings and things are slightly off-centered. It makes you have like this really wonky feeling while you're walking through it. We've only been through like 2 things, and it's super wonky. Also, if you don't follow them on Instagram, you know that they are all custom hewn. All of these, this is while it's out in the weather. Like, look, let's look up. Literally, that's the sky right there. But all of these are hewn and worn in the natural New England weather. And each one of these like things and props, like the one I just showed you, are all custom and altered in some way. There is nothing stock here. And if you watch online, you're gonna see that they work on it year round. So in case you want to see how big some of these sets are, there's an Aurora. And here is what we're going to be walking through. These sets are massive. Right? Thumbs up? Look at it. It's a New England stone wall.
Is it a real one?
I don't think this is a real one. I don't think this is real. I think... Look at all of these little guys.
Oh my god, I love it! Come on, Molly!
You found that one?
He does look alive.
Wow. Look at this. Rory's finally watching her lobster boy.
Okay, turn around, look at me.
Right, don't.
Look at Mama.
Oh my goodness. Oh my, look at this. This is nothing you can buy in the stores. So over here it looks like this was all like traditional Halloween themed scare, and it looks like we're now moseying into a sort of, you know, freak show, sideshow, circus theme for all of our scares. I honestly thought this was a real person when I was in my peripheral. We've got like this sword swallowing ballerina over here. Oh look, there's like a hoop. This is definitely a stage for a scare actor. Oh my goodness. So where there's lots of mannequins, even if they're not people, the mannequins give me more of this unreally feeling. Oh, this is tight. You can't tell. I immediately just felt a little bit slightly claustrophobic. Also, not to mention that there's chipmunks running around, so things move suddenly that shouldn't move, and it's chipmunks. Right, look at all of them. Look at them all. Okay, look. Okay, I'm gonna zoom in and then we're gonna look at all of these. There's just so many of these pumpkins everywhere.
Wait, this can be a boo.
That might be a boo hole. It might be, yeah. Brandon's looking for. I am videoing it. Oh, I had it zoomed in when I did that, but yeah, Brandon's looking for boo holes.
Yeah, I'm trying to be a scare actor. And
Look at this. This is just, there's nothing else in here, and there's just a long hallway with a mannequin at the end, which would be super frightening if you were going on the tour. And here it is, the house. So I'm sure we have all seen this house somewhere on the internet, and here it is. This is part of the tour, and this set is absolutely massive. Look at this. Look at the detail of this. You can't put this in a soundstage. You can't put this inside a building. You can't get this anywhere except in the woods of New Hampshire. Like, come on, look at this. Look at this dune buggy, like a dune buggy. A carriage with some little tiny skeletons and a full-on mummified horse. This is amazing. Oh, okay, so now look, right around here, you can walk into it. So here's the entrance to the haunted house area. Okay, right. It's okay, there's nothing in here. It's just a set. No scares, except your brother.
yes, except me.
Oh, wow. And look at this. It's just like they built this entire set around this tree. Like, and there it goes. Up, up, up to the ceiling.
I don't like Pennywise.
Yeah?
Wait, look, human.
Oh, whoa, why? It's dark in here.
Oh,
Okay, hold on. I'm gonna go, let's go. Oh, that's not a person. There should be no people. They're right there.
I need to
Oh, look, and there's another person over here.
Yeah, I saw that. That's what I was telling you.
I am, all right, Rory, let's go. Oh my goodness.
What slowly?
Oh my goodness, this is frightening with all the lights on.
At least it's no.
Oh, my anxiety just went up tenfold. I was expecting lights to be on. Okay, get me out of the house. And then, oh wow, okay, so this part of it is just outside. Look at this. What is, look at the detail of this. Oh, look at that, like a fake stained glass up here. Wow, this is stunning. The little baby doll in there and the coffin. What's in here? Our darling.
Let's do it again.
We're gonna walk around some more, baby. We got some actual bones mixed in with the fake stuff. Just like, it is all distressed. What is that up there? I keep looking up. Those are the things that I keep, like, I feel like you would miss if you, I don't like these mannequins. This makes me claustrophobic. They're on every side. This is a lot. All of the What's over there? Oh, there's like a head. Oh, I don't know. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh, this No, it's not funny because I asked you not to do that, dude.
Oh, that was a good one for the film. Yeah, this is like the worst house.
So all of these like sides are making the the not straight lines adds to the.
I think they probably put a lot of thought into that.
I'm coming. Just mannequin after mannequin after mannequin after my family after burned mannequin.
Oh my God, look at you, they're hanging.
I know. Oh, after some afterthoughts.
So like watch Roanoke or something?
I don't know, but like, this is amazing. Look at how real this looks.
Yeah.
If you're walking by, this looks so real. Oh, so these are looping back and forth on each other because there's the outside of the house that we walked through and we're going back and forth. This maze is not linear and it's like level changed. Yeah, I'm really excited to look at the church, I know. If you keep walking, you can see how weird and like the angle of this is. Nothing is straight. Everything is just organic. I can't get over it. It just adds to a whole layer. What's around this corner? Is it the train? Oh no, it's the demon. It's the demon. Look at that. This is massive. If you want to hold it so I can walk up to it so they can like. So I'm gonna give the camera to my mom. I'm 5'8" for size comparison. Try and get that demon, like if you can get it low.
Yeah. Sideways like this? No, I can't get him.
Go down, Mom. I don't know how else to show that this thing is massive. So I can screenshot this. Is it all in it?
I think so.
Oh my god. There's a person. There's a mannequin. So I'm walking back. You don't see this. There's a mannequin facing that way, just standing there, which I thought was a person. No, that's a person. It's actually standing there.
There's a real person.
And there's real people. But this thing is massive. We can't even take the hat off so you guys can see. Look at that. Look at that. Goodness, here's another larger than life. Yeah, this was like Death Station on the other. Oh, this guy just got me because I'm looking that way and it's starting to growl.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. Look.
Way back here.
I don't think I can get a wide enough shot with that behind us. So I didn't see this until I turned around, but there's another massive train prop all the way over here. And then we just got a black hallway, which in itself is just makes me entirely. Oh, that's why. So the ceiling in here is going slightly, you can't see it at a slant. I was like, why do I feel more claustrophobic the closer I get to this side? It pushes the limits. It's just the lights on and it's gonna. Oh, yeah. No, that's not a person, that's a mannequin and that looks, I don't like it either. Let's go. It's just, oh, there's like a little divot there that I tripped over. Wow. Make sure, don't pull a me.
Imagine of this at night.
So that's another boo hole. Whoa.
What?
It's all, go stand in the doorway. It's lopsided. It's just another lopsided door to mess with. Yeah, I just did the same thing and fall into there.
Whoa.
Careful, guys.
You could have fallen into.
No, right in. Nope, that's not the right way. There's more people right there. It's daytime and it's really dark in here. I can't even imagine at night.
That's when I was a sewing.
Wow, you had a good point then. Imagine this when it was completely dark. There's another spider boo hole. Where's your brother? Right in. Right. Oh, that's the way we have to go. Up. I've asked you not to do that anymore. Okay, wait, is that me? Is that me? Wait, guys, is that me? I found my doppelganger, guys. If you know, I have an actual fear of doppelgangers, and I officially found my doppelganger.
What is a doppelganger?
Go stand behind Grandma so that we can get this good picture. Stand behind Grandma.
What was it? It was like this.
Yeah.
Mommy, you're gonna have to go lower to get a better picture.
Better?
Or flip it.
Oh yeah.
Flip it and go lower, slightly lower.
Oh, she was choking herself.
These little tight corners that go up and up and up and up.
And look, yeah.
And like jagged, it really messes with your perception and the way you feel in it. I don't know, perception, is that the correct word?
I think so.
Like, you guys can't even tell. But there's like, they're everywhere. Like, everywhere.
Okay, so here's the tail of the dragon.
Yeah, so so we're almost at the beginning again, if that's the tail of the dragon. See, right here,
Oh, wait, over here.
is that it? That's a boo hole, or is that a tunnel?
The boo hole.
Oh wow, they've got a,
This is definitely a boo hole.
there's boo hole.
Ooh, that is a place.
Oh, there's a deer. Is it the Wendosi? Now we're gonna go into the church. So it's,
Here.
yeah, it has to be right here. It's dark in here, and there's like little Blair Witch voodoo dolls up there and stuff, it looks like.
Oh.
It's definitely
Oh.
wiggly wibbly
Yeah.
over here, walking wise. You're definitely gonna wanna wear, oh yeah, this is what you saw, and you're like, I love this.
Yeah.
I love this.
There's weird things in there.
Yeah, what's in there? Weird stuff? Bones?
Making some stew.
Full some dopey.
The word I was looking for was equilibrium, not perception. Everything is a little bit twisted, a little bit wonky, a little bit hewn to look weathered, actually weathered. Little things right here. So there, way back there is the house, and then again, and then our little dead people, and we walked back around all the way over here, and then we looped, and now we're over at this church. It's just like stacked on top of each other. Oh, I love her up there. Yeah. Babe, when you watch this, look at, it's the doors that are in the garage. I think this is the room that's full of doors. We could do this.
We need to take them out of the garage.
Yeah, look at, I have bunches, oodles of doors like this in our garage from our house. Look at that. I could do this. I could just make a room full of doors with questionable paint on them. I could do this. This house, little lopsided.
See me if
Stop.
this was nice.
Yeah, well, look at this lopsided pumpkin house.
Yeah, it could be a haunted house.
And look, and here's the little dolls and the babies. They're starting on turning on the, oh man, like I don't think you're gonna get all of these. And then there's more dolls up here.
It's dead.
Yeah, that is. That Raggedy Ann is the real Annabelle. It's not like the horror doll. The Annabelle that is in the house is a Raggedy Ann doll.
Oh.
Oh
I was
yeah.
Raggedy Ann for Halloween one year.
Look at all of
When I was
these.
like 4.
Look at all of these.
And you're
And these trucks mark the end of our walk through Haunted Overload during the day. That's gonna do it for us today. I hope you enjoyed Haunted Overload. I think we spent about an hour and a half walking around, and it was totally worth the daytime tour. The amount of photo opportunities and chances to meet people that are your idols from YouTube are amazing. So if you like this video, make sure you're subscribed. If you like this video, make sure you, oh my God. If you like this video, give this video a thumbs up and make sure you're subscribed and you keep watching. We're gonna go and get some lunch, dinner, whatever time it is at McDonald's. That's where everybody is, they're inside. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching, bye-bye.